Namaskar and good evening. I, Anandi Lala, would love to welcome you all to our another powerful live session on Facebook. So, firstly, I would love to thank all of you who have been constantly writing to us about what our live session should be about or asking us about how you can maintain your health naturally through Ayurveda. So, thank you so much for being with us, writing to us, and suggesting us on what our live topics should be about. Now, there is also an amazing good news that I would want to share with all of our lovely viewers today. But for that, you will have to attend the entire live session and I will disclose the good news at the end of it. So before any further ado, let's move into the topic today that we are going to be discussing about. That is the most concerning topic amongst the youth and also the adults today, which is pre-diabetic condition. So for that, firstly, I would like to welcome Dr. Smita Naram, co-founder of Ayush Shakti Ayurved, chain of Ayurveda medicines and Ayurveda therapy clinics across the globe. She's also an author and trainer, and she has treated more than 1 million people across the world with the help of her expert doctors at Ayush Shakti. So namaskar and welcome, Dr. Smita. Please grace the live session with your powerful and lovely insights.
Namaskar, namaskar, namaskar. I'm so happy and excited to start this another live session for all of you. And my dear viewers, my dear friends, today what we are going to discuss is something very, very important. Trust me, all over the world, there are huge number of people who become pre-diabetic and then they they don't know how to reverse it because when you are pre-diabetic it's a warning bell. Yes, in a few months or a few years you will be diabetic if you don't work on it. The body is actually telling you through the report, ring ring ring, time to be alert, time to reverse it. So before I talk about what is pre-diabetic, I want to actually share my own personal story. I myself actually suffered strangely because of the certain condition that I will discuss with you. A pre-diabetic situation. You can see this is myself and my report. On top of it, patient's name, Dr. Smita Naram. And here there is HbA1c. HbA1c is an average glucose level, which is they call it glycosylated hemoglobin, which means what percentage of sugar is bound with your hemoglobin. That shows that average what is your sugar level. And my blood sugar average was 6.5, which is almost, if it becomes 6.6 I will be declared diabetes. So it is like a pre-diabetic, you can say. The fasting sugar was 138, which is currently American Diabetic Association has declared the minimum level to consider somebody diabetic. Fasting blood sugar should be 140. So I was almost very close to this, and this was like a shock of my life. You can see the date over there was you can see the date. I guess it's visible. Yeah, it was in July actually. You can see I found this in the month of July last year, 2020. And I was very shocked because, trust me, my dear friends, I follow absolutely very good lifestyle. I don't eat junk food so easily, but my father had diabetes. So I was always afraid to get diabetes, and that is why I was always careful. But now I'll tell you why I got this one and how I reversed it. Last 3 months, my blood sugar level all the time is only fasting 90. So let's go to the next the causes, and those were essentially my own causes as well. So as you all know, last year in the month of February 20, I went through a very deep shocking experience of my life, which was my beloved husband Dr. Pankaj Naram suddenly left his body. He was in a good health and we didn't know what happened, but it just happened. So I was in a deep grief and deep stress. So one factor which I believe was deep stress. But the second factor, which I believe was rather more important than the stress, was gradual slowdown of metabolism. Dear friends, I can personally share with you my life just to contribute in your life. So I will tell you that when I was 55 years of age, after menopause, obviously the metabolism slows down. I was always careful, exercising, proper diet, really careful in eating things, but still the metabolism became so slow. Every year I gained around 2 kgs. So 3 years after that, almost. So I was 58 when I found this pre-diabetic last year. And so in 3 years, I gained 8 kilos. And little by little, that's what happens gradually. Your metabolism slows down. And the first sign that your body sends is actually weight increase in spite of having same dietary habit and same exercise pattern. I used to always exercise at least half an hour, 45 minutes every day. But because of some reasons, I probably didn't exercise so sincerely. I was doing it only 4 times a week. Became too busy. And I thought, okay, I'm well, everything is okay. No need to be so strict on myself. So I just kind of, and other days I was hardly walking because always sitting in the clinic, in the office, working, talking to people, giving lecture, no exercise really. That was the second reason. Sedentary lifestyle and binge eating. I didn't do it, but many people, because of the stress, end up eating constantly when the mind is not working. And we end up particularly eating heavy carbohydrate food like potato chips and sugary sweets and things, fried food, etc., because that's satisfying our vata, which is aggravated from the stress. So I didn't have that situation, but yes, many people have it. Sometimes it is also drug induced. Of course, I never take allopathic medication personally, but many people they take steroids or some other things, and it becomes drug induced diabetic situation. And wrong food, of course, and heavy meal, particularly mental stress. So in my case, it was actually slightly reduced exercise in comparison to my age, because my metabolism slowed down. I should have become sincere about my exercising and walking, etc. Mental stress. So symptoms, normally pre-diabetic doesn't have a very severe symptoms, for example, but thirsty was one thing that I felt. Weight gain was the second I felt. Some people also lose weight, but most people actually I've seen in the clinic, in my experience, they are also mostly gain weight because it is a slow metabolism disorder. Type 2 diabetes, people gain weight. Type 1 diabetes, they lose weight. And always hungry. That was one thing I felt, that I was feeling very hungry. I gradually in last 3 years, it was building up. This is how you should know how it builds up. I was eating without my knowledge, little bit more and little bit more, and I was getting only hungry and hungry. That was quite normal. Then, uh, you get sweaty, which numbness. This is something which comes when you get a advanced diabetes. Pre-diabetic, you don't feel, but dizziness you can always feel. And of course, blood test will show you everything. And different reason, of course. I mean, for men especially, after many years of diabetes, sexual capacity is impacted as well. Frequent urination or sometimes less urination, both can be part of it. Severe blood sugar can lead to eye problems, and it can lead to many infections very easily. And I saw that earlier I never had cough, cold, etc. But last 3 years I used to get sinuses. So that was another thing which showed that my blood sugar gradually was increased. So Ayush Shakti's approach here, and then I will tell you how I applied it to my own case. First and foremost, through the diet and lifestyle, which we are going to share with you, my dear friends, today. activate metabolism. I started exercising 6 days again a week, 1 hour every day. Dancing that I used to do, I started again, half an hour dance, yoga, stretches, walking, everything combined together, 1 hour every day. This is very important that you have to exercise every day after at least 45 years of age. Don't wait to get some kind of a disease and then you do it. Prevention is always better than cure. Ayurveda says, swasthasya swasthavrutam, which means if you are healthy, that is the best time to keep yourself healthy and do everything to prevent any illness from coming. So that is very important that you start following just after 40-45 years of age exercise and diet which will keep your metabolism active, detox programs, which is what I used to do earlier regularly. After every 3 to 4 months, 1 week, I stayed on mung and vegetables only, just to clear my toxins from my own body. But oh god, hello, hello, yeah. So sorry, something went wrong in my technology. So and that's how, you have to keep doing a detox, which we will discuss in the later part. Once in 2 years, I did 3 to 4 weeks of very, very deep level of Ayush Shakti when it comes to blood sugar. So, second approach is literally to detox. Dear friends, what happens that as soon as we grow older, because of the stress, wrong lifestyle, and many other things, we start accumulating mucousy, very sticky toxins in different parts of the body, depending on your genetic factor, your age, and everything. For example, in my case, because my father had blood sugar, I think my toxins were getting accumulated in the pancreas. Same thing can happen. So with everybody, depending on their genetic factor, sometimes in the joints it can go and create arthritis, or if it goes in the brain or in the heart region, blockage in the circulation can be there. In the liver, it can cause fatty liver. So detoxifying every 2 years with an authentic ancient method, which is 3 weeks of program, Dr. Ram will discuss with you, is very important. Now here last year there was July, there was lockdown. I could not call any therapist because it was completely not allowed to even meet each other. So what I did was Ayush Shakti's home detox, healthy me detox. I followed that for 1 month. And then I started exercising. I changed my diet again, became strict. You will not believe me, my friends. My current report, I mean, by November, there was a Diwali. My blood sugar was already 102 fasting. Even I ate some sweets, it didn't grow. I took the medicines also, which we will discuss later. Now it's 3 months, December, January, and now February, 2.5 months precisely. Every month, my blood sugar is only 90 fasting. HbA1c is 5.5. And sometimes I am cheating already. So that is what is possible when you follow the right kind of a pattern. I just want to request to bring the Ayush Shakti's approach slide again. So we will just go through that to make sure that we covered everything. So 3 approaches we spoke about. First one, through the diet and lifestyle, activate your metabolism. Second, remove blockages, because most of the times you are producing insulin, but it's not reaching your blood because of the blockages. So removing of blockages is one of the most important thing to do so that your own insulin can work for you. And the third one is nourishing your pancreatic system, because pancreas, if you nourish using certain very specific herbal formulas which are proven as per international standards, it can gradually nourish your pancreas to function better and better and better, as it is seen in many international results that it improves the pancreatic cellular function. And lastly, if there is chronic diabetes, it is very important to work on the complications as well, like kidneys and the retina, everything. You have to prevent it from getting damaged, prevent the blockages in the arteries, etc., etc. So that was my real story today, my dear friends. And I can't tell you how scared I got when I saw that report. I couldn't believe it. I tested it again and again, and it was still the same. So, dear friend, there is nothing to get scared. If you are pre-diabetic, you can reverse it and you can keep it that way for years and years to come.
Absolutely, Dr. Smita. Now, that was such an inspiring story. At the age of 58, you were able to achieve, you were able to reduce your diabetes. That is an absolutely amazing breakthrough relief. So, Dr. Smita, thank you so much for sharing your real life experience with our viewers today. Friends, you can not only ask us questions about pre-diabetic conditions, but also any other chronic illnesses that you might be suffering through. So today we also have Dr. Ramchandra Konduskar with us, who's an expert Ayush Shakti doctor, and he's treated more than 1.5 lakh people across the globe. He's also a successful practitioner and he's trained a lot of other practitioners across the globe as well. So namaskar and welcome, Dr. Ram. Please share your powerful real life story example with our viewers today.
Namaskar, Anandi. Namaskar, all your our viewers. I'm Dr. Ramchandra Konduskar. So I want to share you a powerful case of mine. My patients he came all the way from UK, London, Mr. Davinder Puri. See, he was like a 58-year-old patient. He was having problems of diabetes from last 5 years. He was suffering from this problem. And also with the symptoms of allergic cold, cough, so mucus, and he was having a lot of stress, also overweight as well. He was having the issues of weight also. Also also he was having problems of heaviness in the body, indigestion, gas, bloating, and constipation as well. Also the issues of burping and acidity as well he was having. He was having stiffness in the neck, back, and lower extremities also. So after having treatment, so we have a center in Goa, Goa Shakti. We did Panchakarma treatments, that is detox treatments. So he was here for 21 days. Now after treatments, he lose almost 9 kilos and got 80% relief result in cold, cough, stress, acidity, pain, and stiffness in the joint as well. And his sugar level dropped down from 146 to 113. So I do believe this was amazing result. So I want to share you how come he got this result. So what we do in iShakti or iShakti Goa, so in that sense, he has achieved this much of result. So when he came in iShakti Goa, so we do find main complications. So the positive factors, as Dr. Smita Naram said, like mucus is a very important causative factor, especially in diabetes. If you have got toxic material in the form of mucus, you are bound to have this problem of mucus, cough, cold, as well as diabetes. So he was suffering this problem of mucus, cold, and cough from long time. And I do believe with this, he has developed this kind of diabetes or like pre-diabetic condition. So initially we did have the herbal paste massage to him. So we did for 21 days. So like the herbal paste massage, it is called as Siddha massage in Ayurveda. And also with the help of Pinda Swet, that is potli sek, that we did with the help of some of the herbs in the potli or the ball of the herbs that to massage on the body. So that's powerful detoxifying massage help into get rid of the problems or stiffness, joint pains, gases, bloating, and low metabolism, as well as powerful treatments called as Vamana. So this is very unique way of treating with the help of therapeutic emesis or therapeutic vomiting has proven very effective in his case. And as well as after that, we did some Virechan karma. Virechan means a therapeutic purgation therapy. Means we have to bring back the toxins from the whole body. Say if you have got toxins in the liver, if you have got toxins in the pancreas, in the mind, in the brain, or in the stiffness in the body, we have to bring back all the toxins from the periphery to center. And what is the center? Is our GI tract or gastrointestinal tract. So we have to bring these toxins from the whole body to the GI tract, and we have to flush toxins with the help of therapeutic purgation. Means we have to give the medicines that will help to remove toxins to the stools. And after that, after ensuring all the toxins have been removed from the body, the therapeutic enemas or the bastis are very important, especially to make sure that the pancreas or the weak organs that has been not functioning very well has to be function very well. So with this nourishing therapeutic enemas, the patients has transformed from a diseased person to a completely healthy person. So within the span of 21 days, I do believe, so almost 70 to 80% patient recover from all the complaints of he has. Next. Yes. See, during this process of detoxification, we advise him, as Dr. Smithandaram told you earlier, what are the culprit? So the food that are increasing mucus in the body. So refined sugar, refined salt also, refined, also the refined oil, they are not mentioned, but the milk is very important. Milk products, you have to stop it. The aerated drinks or processed or canned food. So these are the main, food that are has to be stopped during the diabetes or diabetic conditions, as well as sweet. If you are taking a lot of milk sweets or if you are taking a lot of sweet refined sugar, that you have to stop it, as well as refined flour or the junk food has to be stopped. Next. In the diet, you have to make sure that the vegetables has to be an integral part of the diet. Means almost 60% vegetable diet is very important to make sure the detoxification of the body has to be done. So squashy type of vegetables or so the fruit vegetables are very important. Pumpkin, squash, zucchini, carrot, French beans. Okay, all these vegetables are very good, especially for detoxification. And the 30% proteins also very important. Mung beans have been proven highly effective in treating the diabetes also. So it is helping for the detoxification. And less carb. So rice or the starchy potatoes and all, you have to cut from the diet. This is very important to understand. And you can include some fats so olive oil, walnuts, or flax seeds. Especially if you are using the oils, you have to make sure that you should take unrefined oil. So you can go forward. Yeah. The lifestyles plays very important role, especially the Surya Namaskar or sun salutation that has been proven highly effective, especially in treating this diabetic case also. Pranayam, so if you would do some breathing exercises or control breathing exercises Anulam Pranayam, if you are go for the Kapal Bhati, so these are best among this. So if you can follow this slowly and gradually in your lifestyle, I do believe it will help you a lot. As well as, please go for the slide. The running, skipping exercise, all the stretching exercise, very important. Hello? Yes. Yes. Before that, I think Dr. Smitha want to go for the like home remedy formula, no? I think. Or can I proceed? Can I proceed?
Yes,
Or-
proceed.
Yeah.
Yes, Dr. Ram, actually, our viewers would first want to know about the herbal recommendation
Yeah. Okay.
suggested your patients, and then we will move forward to Dr. Smita's effective home remedies. Kindly proceed with your herbal medications.
iShakti has a proven effective formulas. So two formulas. One is Sugarid and one is Diabetox C. That has been proven highly effective in treating diabetes from the core or base level. Means Sugarid is a herbal formula that's especially work on the blockages and also arrest the insulin resistance. So that is a causative factor, especially in diabetes. And for the nourishing part, Diabetox C has been proven highly effective. That's make sure that pancreas function very well and the cells of the pancreas should get proper nourishment. So the dose of the two herbal remedies is 1 tablet twice a day, as well as the Healthy Me Detox, that is unique way of treating diabetic or any other lifestyle disorder. Say if you have got PCOD, if you have got hypothyroidism. So in this condition, in pre-diabetic condition or diabetic condition, the Healthy Me Detox has been proven highly effective. Means it is the home-based detox with 28 days or 30 days program with precise medicines, precise diet plan that has been mentioned, like day-wise especially. See, it has been proven highly effective in treating so many health challenges.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Ram, for sharing such powerful diet, herbal, and lifestyle recommendations with our viewers. So Dr. Smita and Dr. Ram, we have so many viewers today because we've come live after so long. So we've got so many viewers asking so many questions, and I hope that they are also engaged in this knowledgeable session as I am. So friends, you can ask us your questions in the comment section, and our doctors will definitely answer them. So, Dr. Smita, would you like to share the wonderful and effective kitchen secrets and home remedies with our viewers today?
Yes, definitely. Uh, my dear friends, as I was sharing with you my own example and what I did, I didn't take these home remedies, but I did only the diet, exercise, healthy meat detox, and the two formulas that you saw, Sugarid and Diabetox C, because I cannot tolerate the taste of these bitter substances. And I believe if you want to have a very deep transformation, you have to do detox and the herbal formula as well. But people can still take these home remedies and see some change in their life, definitely. So 1 teaspoon of methi, fenugreek seed powder, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoonful of jamun. We have a jamun, purple fruit, berry, purple berry. The seeds of these berries are very good for diabetes. It is part of the Sugarid formula as well. So 1 teaspoon of jamun seed powder and 1 teaspoon of amalki powder. Combine this mixture together and take it with half a glass of water 2 to 3 times a day. You will find some relief in the sugar and also in the cholesterol because fenugreek has high fiber, which is also helping to reduce the blood cholesterol level. So that was the story, my real story, friends. And also the real story from a client who came to Goa. We have 3 such clinics across the world. Anandi can talk more about it, where people come and stay.
Yes, Dr. Smita, thank you so much for sharing the effective home remedy. So friends, don't worry if you have missed out on the home remedy because we keep uploading our live sessions on YouTube and we also upload it on Dr. Smita's personal Instagram channel. So you can go and follow the tips that are going to be shared there as well. So thank you so much for the diet recommendations, herbal recommendations, effective home remedies and lifestyle. So Dr. Ram and Dr. Smita, now we'll take up certain questions that have come in our live session organically. So first one that a lot of people ask these days is, how do kids end up getting diabetes? Children at the age of 10 or 15 also nowadays are getting pre-diabetic. So how is that possible? Dr. Ram, would you like to answer?
Yeah. Anandi, the wrong lifestyle, especially, is a very main causative factor for this. Sedentary lifestyle, the food habit that we are educating our children, basically our parents, like so, we are educating children the wrong food habit that we are especially are doing, and we are teaching our children to have the food, the junk food, the milk products, heavy to digest products. So these I do believe are going to make the children's obese or like diabetes or any lifestyle disorder.
All right, thank you, Dr. Ram. So if you have any other questions, you can also mail us on info@ayushakti and we will help you. So the second question, Dr. Smita, is asked from a woman called Janvi. She says that my mother-in-law has diabetes. So is it possible that my child also can get diabetes?
Yes, as I told you, I shared in my own example, my father had diabetes for almost 25-30 years. And I was so afraid to get it. And that's why I always followed the diet, exercise, and still I became pre-diabetic when I didn't keep a watch on my metabolism. So definitely there is a possibility because diabetes is transferring through genetic factor. So you have to be careful and make sure that he's not eating uh, too much of carbohydrate, dairy, and heavy food, fried food, etc. almost since age 20, and make sure he doesn't become obese, because that is the starting point of the symptom that he is going in the direction of pre-diabetic.
Thank you, Dr. Sunita. So we will take one more last question, but that is not related to diabetes. Like as I mentioned in the live, that you can ask questions other than diabetic conditions as well. So this one question from Miss Nirmala Jain, and she says that, hi madam, मुझे ligament tear है, क्या इसका इलाज आयुष शक्ति में हो सकता है? So Dr. Smita, would you like to enlighten her?
100% हो सकता है. लिगामेंट टेयर के अंदर आयुष शक्ति का अप्रोच ट्रीटमेंट करना, या आप बॉम्बे में हो तो हमारे क्लिनिक में आकर ट्रीटमेंट करवाइए, नहीं तो बाहरगांव आउट ऑफ बॉम्बे है तो हम आपको बताएंगे आप घर में क्या कर सकते हैं. बेसिकली ये है कि पहले आजू बाजू का इन्फ्लेमेशन, उसको बिल्कुल टच नहीं करना होता है, मतलब मसाज वहां नहीं करते हम, बट हम उसके ऊपर एक अराउंड जो लिगामेंट के एरिया में जो सूजन है वो निकालते हैं, अंदर से लिगामेंट रिपेयर करे हमारी शरीर, वैसी औषधियां देते हैं, और बाहर से ऐसी कोई ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं ताकि लिगामेंट खुद रिपेयर हो जाए. क्योंकि जब लिगामेंट टेयर होती है तो हमारे शरीर एक प्रकार का रस उत्पन्न करता है जिससे लिगामेंट जॉइंट हो सकती है, लेकिन शरीर में जब वायु ज्यादा हो तो वो जो हीलिंग है वो हो ही नहीं पाता. तो वो हम हीलिंग शुरू कराते हैं ताकि आपका खुद का शरीर अंदर से वैसे जूसेस बनाए जिससे लिगामेंट रिपेयर हो सकती है. हमने ऐसे बहुत सारे केसेस को रिपेयर किया है और ऐसे हमारे पास रिपोर्ट्स भी है, सैकड़ों फाइलें हैं, तो डेफिनेटली इसमें बेनिफिट मिल सकता है. आप हमारी अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें क्योंकि इसमें केवल होम रेमेडी काम नहीं करेगी. सो मैं तो रेकमेंड करूंगी कि आप लाभ ले लीजिए, आयुष शक्ति डॉक्टर को मिल करके उनसे आप एडवाइस ले लीजिए.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Dr. Smita and Dr. Ram. It was such an honor to host this live session with both our expert doctors. So friends, this was an amazing and informative live session, and we are so glad that you joined us today, and we hope that you must have carried forward and carried back a lot of information from Dr. Smita and Dr. Ram. So like I had mentioned in the start of the live session, that I have an amazing good news to share with all of you today. which is that Ayush Shakti Ayurved is organizing a free health consultation camp on 13th, 14th and 15th February. Yes, you heard it right. It's a complete free camp available on phone and video consultation, and also on our all the 14 plus centers in Mumbai. So you can come visit the clinic, or you can take the appointment for our doctors for online consultation as well. Now, how do you reach out to us? You can call us, or you can also message us. Firstly, you can call us on our India number, that is 1800-266-3001. You can also reach out to us on our global, that is our international number, which is +1-800-2800-906. You can also WhatsApp us on +91 7777001561. You can also mail us your queries, and you can also suggest us what our next live sessions should be about on info@ayushakti.com. Don't forget to catch live updates, health tips, and Dr. Smita's powerful kitchen remedies on our Instagram, Facebook, and of course on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining us on our live session today. You can call us, message us, WhatsApp us. We will always be available at Ayush Shakti to help you. Thank you and namaskar. Hope to see you very, very soon. Take care.